So welcome to our fourth module on the LinkedIn Bootcamp, whereby I'm really showing you how you can really build your network marketing business using LinkedIn. And in this module, what you're going to be talking about is how to really connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Professionals on LinkedIn. And as you can take a look at the picture that I've really put here, I really look like a professional. And this is one thing that you really want to be focusing on when it comes to really looking at different professionals on LinkedIn. So as I always say, this is very live. My name is Dennis Mwabu. What I do, I coach and train network marketers how they can really build a sustainable business using LinkedIn, helping you get more leads, more sales, and also more prospects. So let me just dive in because we only have 10 minutes and I'll just dive into my LinkedIn. All right. So here's the thing. First of all, if you remember on the first module, we talked about how to really create a good banner. As you can see, this is a very, very amazing banner. Second thing, we talked to how you can really create a good professional picture. And the third part, we talk about creating content and utilizing the featured section. And this is to really help you position yourself so that when you inbox someone, when you send a message to someone in their inbox, what happens is they get back into your profile. And the moment they get back into your profile, you are capturing their attention by providing value, by showing them that, hey, you are not just a simple person, you are someone who is really understanding what he's doing and you are dominating in the industry. All right. And you know really what you know. So well, how can you really connect with different professionals on LinkedIn? So the simple thing that you want to do is you want to come here to the search button. And if you're building your network marketing business, I always say this on a free webinar that we did yesterday. Actually, if you'll be watching this bootcamp on a later one, this is based on the time frame. I did a webinar yesterday and I was showing people how many people are outside there. So this is an untouched stock, of people who are really looking for an opportunity that you can present to them your business, right? So let me just jump and type in. So you want to come here on the search button. On the search button, you want to type something like this: looking for an opportunity. Right? After you've typed that, you click the search icon. And after you've clicked the search icon, I want you to take a look at this and notice how many people you have access to and how can you really connect with them. So here we have over 581,000 people who are looking for a new opportunity. And these are people who are open, and these are serious individuals. And how are you really able to identify different professionals? One thing I can tell you about LinkedIn, if you take a look at someone's profile picture, let's say, for example, this one, she really looks like someone who is already mature. She really looks like someone who can talk business, and he's saying electrical engineering, looking for an opportunity. Let's see this other one, Mario B. Let's click on his profile. The moment you click on his profile, you are able to check, hey, this is someone who is really good. This is someone who looks very serious. This is someone who looks very mature. And this is someone who will be open to actually take a look at your business opportunity. And also the other trick, let me give you a bonus trick, all right? So that you may be able to really identify the right person. If you come and take a look at this person, Mario B, he is following Tony Robbins. That's Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins talk. What does it say about network marketing? He is really an advocate of network marketing, and he says good thing about network marketing. He is also following Richard Branson, right? And this is how you can be able to identify if this person is a business-oriented person or is just a normal person. You can see he's following Bill Gates. He's following this one, Jessica Alba. All right. So this is some of the tricks that you can use to really identify the crop of the cream and the very serious people, all right? Because you may be having different people here who are looking for an opportunity, but they are not serious. Let's see, how can you really connect with these professionals? Let's see, this is Erica Jane, all right, looking for an opportunity. And let's try and check out her interests. And let's see if she has updated her interest. You can see Unilever, and she has a couple, Marriott International. She has a couple of interests that she is following, but you can see this one, she's not following people like Tony Robbins. She's not following entrepreneurial business. So a person like this one, now this is where you get in first with your product before getting in with your business opportunity. And on the next module, which is module 5, I'll be showing you the exact messages that you can get into these people and send them the exact message. So make sure to stay tuned in. All right. And I'm supposed to activate my premium on LinkedIn, so I cannot let. But we have already looked at several profiles, and I've already shown you how to really look at who is a very serious person, who is a professional. Let's say, for example, you want to connect with some people who are a little bit of salesy people. All you can just do is come here and then put the search button and let's talk about real estate, and then you type real estate. Right, what happens is it will bring you a couple of profiles, and as we load, oh my, almost 1 million people who are in real estate. And the moment you connect with someone who is in real estate, you really come to understand that this person is really able to understand how business is done. So it becomes a little bit easier when it comes to building your business. For example, you can see business development management at real estate, and take a look at this guy, man. This guy looks very serious, look very professional. All you want to do is now understand what message you can send to them when you're connecting, and I'll be giving you a bonus on the next module, because as soon as you see someone like this, what you want to do here is you want to come here on their profile and then hit the connection button. Right, hit the connection button, and let me give you a tip. You want to first send them a note. Right, you want to send them a notification message. And on the next video, right, which will be the module 5, this is the exact thing that I'll be showing you. What is the message that you're supposed to send this person so that they may be able to connect with you? I'm going to be showing you the opening message, all right, whereby their headline matters a lot on LinkedIn. So as the more so that as soon as you send that message with that headline, someone it's actually, I've done this over and over again, it actually gets that person's attention immediately. So hope you really enjoyed this module, and I'm really waiting to I'm really waiting to see you on the next module. And hey, you guys, check out the descriptions below on my video, whereby I drop more content, I drop more value, where you can get I'll be dropping the cracking the LinkedIn code, where it's an ebook you can download there. I'll be dropping a couple of things, and also drop a comment, hit the subscription button below if you like this content. And the other thing is, make sure to share this amazing value. And each and every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 p.m. East Africa time, we usually hold a free webinar whereby we get into details on how you can really build your business on LinkedIn. So this is the end of this module. Hope you've gotten value and hope you've enjoyed. I'll be waiting to see you on the next module. Have a good time. Be blessed.